Thank you. It's an honor and privilege for me to be here today in support of Judge Lally-Green's candidacy for the Supreme Court of Pennsylvania. As a prosecutor for 19 years, I know the importance of appellate court judges for law enforcement, for the police and prosecutors that every day are working across our Commonwealth to fight crime. Judge Lally-Green has a proven record of accomplishment in the Superior Court of Pennsylvania. One of my pet peeves and frustrations is every time someone runs from the bench, they claim to be law and order, and oftentimes once they're on the bench, we see them deviate from that claim in their opinions. Judge Lally-Green's record speaks for itself. She has been a friend of law enforcement, an enemy to violent criminals throughout her career. She's fair and just and impartial in her rulings. She does not seek to legislate from the bench. We know where Judge Lally-Green comes from in her opinions. And as a prosecutor, there is no better type of judge we have in the Supreme Court. Obviously, the Supreme Court is the highest appellate court here in Pennsylvania. They decide issues of great importance to the citizens of our Commonwealth. With public safety a primary concern of our voters next Tuesday, I join supporting the FOP that's here today, police and prosecutors across the Commonwealth, in endorsing Judge Lally-Green for the Republican nomination in Tuesday's election. With me today are two individuals I'm going to talk about for a second that are good friends of mine. First is a colleague of mine, the Erie County District Attorney, Brad Falk. Brad also is a career prosecutor, like myself, who shares the belief that the primary importance government provides to its citizens is public safety. And we need good appellate judges with a good record like Judge Lally-Green on the bench. I'm also joined by John McNally, the Norfolk County Republican Chairman. And John, since taking over as Chairman, John is an attorney here in Harrisburg, and he also knows the importance of excellent appellate court judges. And if someone is distinguished as Judge Lally-Green on the ballot, we can do no better. But you're not here to hear me talk, you're going to hear from the FOP. So at this time, Mark,
Good afternoon. On behalf of the Fraternal Order Police, Pennsylvania State Lodge, I welcome and thank everyone for the opportunity to be here today and once again endorse someone who has been a friend of law enforcement and all Pennsylvanians during her distinguished career in the judiciary, Judge Maureen Lally-Green. As the president of more than 40,000 law enforcement officers, I can say without hesitation, Judge Maureen Lally-Green, who has an impeccable record consisting of more than 3 decades in law, has helped make Pennsylvania safer. Each day, the challenges of our law enforcement community increase. Daily, our law enforcement officers are on the front lines, working to make our communities and neighborhoods safe. It's important to law enforcement that those who sit on the highest legal bench in Pennsylvania have the necessary experience, diverse background in the law, and act with fairness and impartiality to make decisions that affect all citizens. Judge Maureen Lally-Green has the experience, the integrity, and the proven commitment to public service. She will be a great Supreme Court justice, supporting law and order and a safer Pennsylvania for everyone. The State Fraternal Order Police is proud to endorse Judge Maureen Lally-Green. Thank you.
I'll introduce Bruce Edwards, who we all know as the Pennsylvania State Troopers Association President.
Just have a few words. The Troopers Association, which represents over 7,500 active and retired troopers, is proud to endorse Judge Lally-Green for the Supreme Court. Judge Lally-Green has a proven record, which is very important, and that record is one that has shown that it's friendly family, officer family, law enforcement friendly, and that she will continue to represent the values that we support, and we are very proud and happy again to be able to be endorsing her here today. And we hope that come election day on the 15th, that you, the voters, will endorse, go along with our endorsement and elect her to the Republican primary to represent us on election day in November. Thank you.
Practice. Always offer the attorney the opportunity. He's one of the few that would turn it down.
Judge.
Then I guess there's only one person here we have to hear from. And it's my honor to introduce to everyone a lawyer with a distinguished record as an attorney, a great mother, wife, a great justice, great judge on the Superior Court. I got a lot of myself. And with the support of individuals like those behind me, one of our next Supreme Court justices, Judge Maureen, Lally-Green.
Thank you, Ed. President Mark Koch, President Bruce Edwards, Secretary Chuck Hamlin, and all of you, and Treasurer Cheryl. I've just mentioned. I can't thank you enough, the organizations, for this deep privilege of receiving their endorsements. We, the citizens of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, have really one priority among others. And the number one priority is the safety and security of our homes, our families, our workplaces, and ourselves. District Attorney Marsico, District Attorney Brad Falk do a superb job of keeping the criminal element out of our lives. I know that because I review their records in the cases that come before me. But the unsung heroes, the people who every day put their lives on the line for us, are the police. The members of the Fraternal Order of Police, the members of the state troopers. They are the ones that hold that thin line between safety and security and violence and maybe even chaos. So, to the members of the Fraternal Order of Police, to the members of the State Troopers Association, I say thank you on behalf of each and every citizen of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. And I further think it's quite evident how deeply privileged I am to have received their endorsements. So thank you again very much, and God bless you all.